Hello everyone! Welcome to a new episode of BoAi's Slow English. In today's episode, I would like to talk about what I did at work. Before we get started, please like this video to show your support and click subscribe to receive more English content. My goal is to help you master American English in general, but obviously I'm American. So if your goal is to sound and speak like an American, I am here for you during your journey. Today is Monday, and Mondays are usually difficult for most people. Yesterday was Sunday, and I don't spend a lot of time on my day off relaxing, or I should say, most people, when they think of relaxing, they think of maybe reading a book or sitting on the couch and watching TV. But for me, it's my time to catch up on things that I did not get to do throughout the week. Do you know the term catch up? You can use catch up in several ways. So you could say that you're catching up on some tasks, which means you are completing tasks or things that you were supposed to do that you did not get to do. Another way to use the term catch up is when you are meeting with friends that you have not seen in a while. Those are really good idioms to know. Last week, I worked Monday through Saturday. On Sunday, which was yesterday, I did a lot of YouTube, I worked out, and I worked on my online shop, which is on Etsy. I am very proud of my husband and I with our online shop, even though we just started our shop recently. We have many products that we are selling. We are selling mugs, which are cups for hot beverages. Most of our products are pet products, but they are custom or personalized. Do you know what that means? It means that a customer would send or submit a photo of their pet, and we would put that pet's photo on the mug along with the design that we created. So that's what we've been working on, and we work on it for hours and hours every day, but more so on Sundays, which is both of our days off. So today is Monday. I was really tired last night, so I thought that when I woke up today, I would be even more tired, but I don't know if it's the rain. It's raining a little bit today. It is giving me a lot of energy. And growing up in Baltimore, I experienced many rainy days, and I am my happiest when it's raining. It was a very busy day at work today. This is what I do on a normal basis at work. I will open the office. When I say I open the office, it usually means that you are getting the office ready. It doesn't always mean that you are physically opening the door. It means that you will get the office set up so that when the customers or clients come in, it is ready for the day. If you did not know, I work at a skincare clinic. We offer facials, lasers, and injections. Throughout the day, I speak to clients on the phone as well as in person about their skin goals, and I will talk to them about different types of treatments or services to help them to meet their goal. And sometimes meeting their goal, my dog. Hi, did you miss me? Oh my gosh, hi. I think she's in a playful mood. She missed me. Sorry, I got distracted with my cute dog who is still trying to get my attention. Did you notice she has a bandana on? She's matching Mom. Sometimes I will talk to clients about their skincare routine or regimen. Routine and regimen, I think, are pretty similar words. And if you would like some suggestions on how to take care of your skin, feel free to leave a comment and ask me what questions you have about your skin, or tell me what your skin goals are. Everyone's skincare routine or regimen should have a cleanser, and that should be done morning and night. You should cleanse your face twice a day. And then you should apply some kind of serum depending on your goals. Serums are usually in a form of a liquid or something a little bit thicker than liquid. And then you should do an eye cream if you would like to depuff your under eyes. Puffy under eyes can happen because of your natural body's water getting stuck under your eyes. So under eye cream can help with that. Excuse me. My cat seems to be very curious about the smell of my jacket. Maybe because he can smell the raindrops. After eye cream, I recommend to apply a moisturizer, which is another word for cream. But let's break down the word moisturizer. If you are familiar with the word moisture or moist, it's adding hydration so that your skin does not feel dry. So adding moisturizer is important so that you do not create fine lines. Fine lines is another word for small wrinkles. And during the day, on top of your moisturizer, you should apply sunscreen. Or you might hear some people say sunblock. However, I usually only use the word sunblock for when you are on the beach and you are specifically applying a cream that is meant to block the sun, which is a little bit different compared to sunscreen, because the sunscreen will not be as thick. Let me just show you my cat right now. He's on my lap. This is his favorite place to be. At nighttime, you should do the same exact routine, except no sunscreen, because obviously you will not be in the sun. You will be sleeping in the dark. That is a very simple skincare routine that I recommend for everyone. Me, personally, I do cleanser, about 4 to 5 different types of serums, a cream, an eye cream, a sunscreen, and then of course my body cream. And I do that again at night. Other things that I do at work is I check in clients when they arrive. Check in means that the client comes to the appointment and I will go to the computer system and press a button that says they have arrived, which then will notify or let my coworkers know that their client is here. I will offer them a drink, usually a flat or sparkling water, or sometimes you might hear someone ask if they want still water. Still water and flat water are the same thing, just so you know. Maybe it would be helpful if I said to you how I normally ask a client if they would like something to drink so that you can hear it in normal speed. So I would say, would you like still or sparkling water? Would you like still or sparkling water? And then I will tell them that their room, their facial room, is ready. So then I would say, you can follow me this way. Your room is ready. You can follow me this way. Your room is ready. You can follow me this way. Your room is ready. And then I would instruct for them to wear a robe and get under the bed. So I would say, go ahead and put on a robe and you can get under the bed. This probably sounds really fast, but this is what it sounds like when I talk to people. Go ahead and put on a robe. So I said, go ahead and put on a robe and get into the bed. Then I normally call clients who came in the day before to check on them, to ask how they were doing, if they received a strong treatment. When I say strong treatment, I mean a laser or injection like Botox or filler. It is my responsibility at work to make sure that the clients are taken care of, which means that they are happy and they have everything that they need and they've asked all the questions they want to ask. But most importantly, it's all about their happiness. So throughout the day, I will call clients and check on them. I also will go over, which means to discuss or talk to someone. So I will also go over the cost of these treatments or quote them. Quote can be a physical noun, which is like a piece of paper that shows all the pricing, but quoting can also be a verb, or to quote is a verb, which means that I am going over pricing or discussing pricing. I will also talk to clients about any complaints or concerns that they may have, and I will try to make it better. An advanced word, which means to make something better, is rectify. You rectify the situation. You make the situation better. So I will have to do that throughout the day, and sometimes the clients will, I don't want to say yell at me, but sometimes they get very impatient, sometimes a little bit mean and rude. I expect that almost daily because of the industry that I work in, where people pay a lot of money to look good, and some people are never happy no matter what. But again, my job is to rectify the situation or make it better, and I've been doing this for over 10 years now, so I think I'm doing a good job. I will also send some emails throughout the day, and I will text clients throughout the day. If my boss or the owner is requiring some help, I will help wherever I need to. So I would love to know, what do you do at work? Give me 3 sentences of what you do at work. That way you can practice your writing skills as well as your spelling. I hope you learned some new verbs today, some new vocabulary. I also would love to know if this type of vlog content where I am just speaking to the camera, I'm not moving around, is this boring, or are you okay with me not going outside and filming a different environment? For me, as a language learner myself, I just need to hear how a native speaker speaks, and I also would like to read the subtitles. Personally, I don't think it's necessary to always view a beautiful scenery. I just want the lesson. So let me know what you think, because I want to customize my videos for you so that you are encouraged to learn on a daily basis. Please share this video with your friends if they are also learning English. And thank you for your support if you've watched all the way to the end. I will see you next time. Bye!